Hi, good day. Welcome back to our class, Chemistry 106. Last time, I gave you an assignment to work on. That is our first exercise on measurement. The particular topics that I discussed last time were the length and the mass measurement. Then I gave you the exercise for you to work out. Today, let us solve the problems given by analyzing and showing the solutions. So, to start with, we have problem number 1. It states that the height of the CAS building of Holy Name University is approximately 20 meters. Express this height in terms of letter A, feet, letter B, inches, letter C, yards, letter D, centimeters, and letter E, decimeter. For problem number 1, this only involves the conversion of the height of the CAS building in terms of feet, inches, yard, centimeters, and decimeters. So we need only to convert 20 meters to feet. In converting the 20 meters to feet, we need only to multiply the 20 meters by the conversion factor 3.28 feet per meter. So the equation will become number of feet equals 20 meters times 3.28 feet per meter. So you can cancel out the meter unit, giving you the feet unit. So your answer is, so 20 meters equals 65.6 feet. For letter B, we are going to convert the 20 meters into inches. So what will we do here? You have to multiply only 20 meters by 3.28 feet per meter. So you can cancel out the meter unit. Then multiply it further by 12 inches per foot. So you can cancel out the foot unit. So your factors are 20 times 3.28 times 12. This will give you 787.20 inches. Therefore, 20 meters equals 787.2 inches. For letter C, we are going to convert 20 meters to yards. We know that in 1 yard, there are 3 feet. So the conversion factor to be used in converting 20 meters to yards will be 20 meters times 3.28 feet per meter times 1 yard per 3 feet. So you can cancel out the meter unit and the feet unit so that the remaining unit now is yards. And the final answer is 21.87 yards. For letter D, we're going to convert 20 meters to centimeters. Now, the conversion factor for meters to centimeters is that there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Therefore, you have only to multiply 20 meters by 100 centimeters per meter. The answer is 2,000 centimeters. Letter E. You are asked to convert 20 meters to decimeter. Now we know that the conversion factor of meters to decimeter is that 1 decimeter
equals 10 centimeters. So, if you're going to convert 20 meters to decimeter, the factors that you're going to use are 100 centimeter per meter and 1 decimeter per 10 centimeter. So your equation will become number of decimeters equals 20 meters times 100 centimeter per meter times 1 decimeter per 10 centimeters. So, canceling out the meter unit and the centimeter unit, you have decimeter unit that is left. And the final answer is 200 decimeter.
Number 2. The problem states that which is longer, a 2-inch toothpick or a 4.3 centimeters matchstick?
In number 2, you are asked to compare the length of the toothpick and the matchstick. But you cannot compare not unless they have the same unit of expression. So what are you going to do first? It would be necessary to convert either the length of the toothpick to centimeters or the length of the matchstick to inch. Suppose we're going to convert the length of the toothpick to centimeters. Therefore, we need only to multiply the 2 inches toothpick times 2.54 centimeters per inch. So the answer is 5.08 centimeters. Since the length of the toothpick now is expressed in centimeters and that of the matchstick is in centimeters, so we can make a comparison between the two lengths. The matchstick is only 4.3 centimeters, while the toothpick is 5.08 centimeters. Therefore, the answer is the toothpick is longer than the matchstick.
Number 3. The vertical clearance of passage for vehicles marks 2.5 meters. Can a vehicle with a height of 7 feet pass through?
For problem number 3, we are given here that the clearance of the vehicle passage is marked 2.5 meters. But the height of the vehicle is 7 feet. And we are asked on whether the vehicle can pass through. Now, what we need to do here is we have to convert here the clearance passage of 2.5 meters to feet, or the height of the vehicle in terms of feet to meters. Suppose we opt to convert the feet to meters. So the height of the vehicle in terms of meters. So what will we do? Simply multiply the height of the vehicle, which is 7 feet, by 1 meter is to 3.28 feet. Therefore, dividing 7 by 3.28 will give us 2.1 meters. Now, if you compare to the clearance of the vehicle passage, which is 2.5 meters, the height of the vehicle, which is 2.13 meters, is shorter than the clearance passage. Therefore, the vehicle can pass through.
Number 4. The height qualification for a flight stewardess is at least 5 feet and 4 inches tall. Can an applicant who is 152.4 centimeters qualify? Give your reason why.
Problem number 4. We are given here that the height qualification of a stewardess is 5 feet and 4 inches tall. And here is an applicant with a height of 152.4 centimeters. We are asked whether the applicant be qualified or not. And we are asked also to give the reason. Suppose we opt to convert the height qualification into centimeters. So what do we do in here? Since the qualification of the height for a stewardess is 5 feet and 4 inches tall, so we need to convert 5 feet first into inches. So multiply 5 feet by 12 inches per foot. So you can cancel out the foot unit. And that would equal to 60 inches. Plus the 4 inches equals 64 inches. Converting the 64 inches to centimeters, this will become 64 inches times 2.54 centimeters per inch. So you can cancel out the inch unit, giving you 162.56 centimeters. This time, you can already compare the height qualification of the stewardess against the height of the applicant. Since the height qualification in terms of centimeters is 162.56 centimeters, while that of the applicant, she is only 152.4 centimeters, so the applicant is not qualified. Why? Because she is shorter than the height qualification.
Number 5. When Rowena's family moved into their new house, there was a bamboo tree in front of the yard that was 3 feet tall. After 15 years, the bamboo grew 10 feet tall more. What is the height of the bamboo tree?
Problem number 5. We are given here that when Rowena's family moved into their new house, there was a bamboo tree that was 3 feet tall. But after staying there for 15 years, the bamboo tree grew 10 feet tall more. So that means we need only to add the 3 feet by 10 feet. So the answer is the height of the bamboo tree now is 13 feet.
Number 6. Aaron bought 7 meters and 75 centimeters of cloth. He used 2 meters and 30 centimeters from it. How many centimeters of cloth is left?
Problem number 6. Aaron bought 9 meters and 75 centimeters of cloth. And out of this length of cloth, he used 2 meters and 30 centimeters from it. And we are asked, how many centimeters of cloth is left? Now, since the length is in meters and centimeters, we need to convert the meters to centimeters because we are asked here of the final length to be expressed in centimeters. So converting 9 meters to centimeters, we have 9 meters times 100 centimeter per meter. This will give us 900 centimeters plus the remaining 75 centimeters. This will give us 975 centimeters. And converting the 2 meters to centimeters, we have 2 meters times 100 centimeters per meter equals 200 centimeters plus 30 centimeters will become 230 centimeters. Now, because he used this 200 centimeters out of the 975 centimeters, therefore, subtract 975 by 230, and this will give us the answer 745 centimeters.
Number 7. Abby threw a pass from the 15-yard line to the 35-yard line. How far did he pass the football?
In number 7, we are asked to determine the distance how far Abby threw the football. So, since we're given that he passed the football starting at 15-yard line and reached the 35-yard line, so the distance is 20 yards.
Number 8. A boat left its port and has traveled 25 miles. The port on the other side of the bay is a distance of 67 miles. How much farther does the boat have to go to reach the port across the bay?
We are told in the problem that a boat left its port and has traveled 25 miles. But the port on the other side of the bay is a distance of 67 miles. Now, if you are going to imagine the distance, therefore, from port to port is 67 miles. And we are asked, how much farther does the boat have to go to reach the port across the bay? So, what is your analysis? If the distance between port to port is 67 miles, and the boat has already traveled 25 miles, so simply subtract the 67 miles by 25 miles, and your answer is 42 miles. So the boat have to go 42 miles in order to reach the other port or reach the port across the bay.
Number 9. Professor Soria buys a new cabinet for the classroom. It comes in a box that weighs 50 kilograms. She unpacks pieces that total 16 kilograms. How much does the box weigh now?
Number 9. We are told here that Professor Soria bought a new cabinet for her classroom. When she bought it, it came in a box that weighs 50 kilograms. And when she unpacks the box, she unpacked a total of 16 kilograms. So that means out of the 50 kilograms, she was only able to unpack some pieces that is worth about 16 kilograms. After getting those pieces, which is about 16 kilograms, we are asked how much does the box weigh now? So simply, the analysis would be 50 kilograms minus 16 kilograms, and this will give us 34 kilograms left.
Number 10. Mr. Ruiz weighs 80 kilograms. After exercising every day for 6 weeks, he loses weight. Now, he weighs 72 kilograms. How many pounds of weight did he lose?
Problem number 10. Mr. Ruiz weighs 80 kilograms. After exercising every day for 6 weeks, of course he loses weight. At present, he weighs 72 kilograms. But we are asked how many pounds of weight did he lose? Since we are given here that the weight of Mr. Ruiz is in kilograms, but we are asked the number of pounds that was lost after exercising, so we need to convert the difference of his weight in terms of kilograms to pounds. So the analysis would be subtract 72 kilograms from 80 kilograms, and that will give you 8 kilograms. Converting 8 kilograms to pounds, you use the conversion factor 2.2 pounds per kilogram so that you can cancel out the kilogram unit, giving you the pound unit. So multiplying 8 by 2.2, the answer is 17.6 pounds. This is the weight in pounds that was lost after exercising for 6 weeks.
That is all for today, but kindly continue to read the topics that I assigned to you last time on temperature and time. This is your teacher, Professor Nisitas Ruiz of Holy Name University.